Circle got smaller, vision got larger. Namaskaram, this is Kapil from EHS Academy and welcome to another informative video. Guys, this video is going to be very special for you because if you are a person or a professional, those who are interested to work in Canada, then in this video I'm going to cover CRSP. What is that? CRSP, Canadian Registered Safety Professional Certification. Actually, we are going to cover 5 things about CRSP. First of all, what is CRSP? How you can apply for that, eligibility requirements for that, fees of that, and other important stuffs about CRSP certification. Not only we are going to cover that, but I will take you to the BCRSP website and will show you each and everything practically. So you can also do these things after some time. So without wasting any single second, let's get straight to the video. What you need to do, simply come onto the Google, search here BCRSP. BCRSP. BCRSP means Board of Canadian Registered Safety Professional, like a BCSP. Okay, search that. When you search it, one open interface will be like that. Okay, first one. What is that? First one, BCRSP, Board of Canadian Registered Safety Professional. Click on that. After clicking, you will get an interface in some sort of way, blue color interface. Go to the second option, that is called Prospective Certificates. What is that? Prospective Certificates. Click on that. After you will click here, see in that corner, last corner. Can you see that? In this corner. Yeah. In this corner, what you need to do, you need to just zoom that, and you can see here, which is that third option, BCRSP examinations. Click on that. After clicking on BCRSP examination, you can see here, they have given each and everything about BCRSP examinations. Okay, now, go downwards, see here, about the CRSP certification. Okay, click on that. Actually, here in this BCRSP, two type of certification is there. First of all, CRSP, Canadian Registered Safety Professional, and second one, Canadian Registered Safety Technician, CRST. So in today's video, we are going to cover only CRSP. We will cover CRST in the next video. Okay, now, each and everything about CRSP is open here. So one by one, we will cover here. Okay, first of all, about the CRSP certification. I'm not going to cover each and everything here about, from this paragraph. Only small main points we will take. Okay, first of all, you can see here, the Canadian Registered Safety Professional is also called PSAC, PSAC. Okay, in Canadian, if I'm not wrong, in Canadian they will call it PSAC. PSAC means Professional in Securite Agreed to Canada. In Canadian they will call it. Okay, certification is considered a benchmark in the OHS profession and a certificate of choice of OHS professional. Okay, it means if you want to work in Canada, because if you see the statistics of that, so you will find that a lot of people within the Canada, it means employers, those who have the startups, those who have the companies in Canada, they are hiring the people, those who are holding these certifications, PSAC or CRSP. Okay, so it becomes very crucial to hold such sort of qualifications if you are willing to work in Canada region. Now, so again, they have given some point like CRSP PSAC certification demonstrate that certified individuals have met minimum formal education and experience requirements and acquired a minimum level of knowledge and expertise in the field of passing by CRSP examination. As well as this particular examination, the examination of CRSP is also called CRSPX. What is that? CRSPX, Canadian Registered Safety Professional Examination. Okay, one video is there. If you are interested, you can watch it. Otherwise, come here. Okay, now, within the CRSP examination, people are coming from wide field. Okay, some may be commerce one, some may be engineering degree one. Okay, so here they have written, as well as something they have mentioned here. If you are interested to read that, you can read it by pausing that video. Okay, about CRSP and this particular benefits of that CRSP certification. Now, important thing, why we need to do CRSP certification, why there is a need? So the answer is simple. See, when you are going to another country to work in their country, for example, if someone is coming to India to work in India as a safety officer, then which qualification will be mandatory? All people know ADIS, Advanced Diploma in Industrial Safety, because it is our national qualification, or it is accepted widely within the India. Okay, not CSP and all. Okay, CSP is also accepted, but not that much frequently in comparison of ADIS. So that's like that. When you go to Canada, at the time, whatever the qualification you have, like NEBOSH, CSP and all, these are okay. These are good qualification, gold standard qualification, but we are going to the another country. So at that time, we need to follow their rules and regulations. Whatever the HSC qualification framework is there, we need to follow that. So as per the Canada, they are asking these particular qualification like PSAC or CRSP or sometimes CRST also. Okay, but CRSP is one of the benchmark. When employers see the CRSP name, CRSP designation or PSAC designation after your name, then they can estimate that, yeah, this person means those who are holding this sort of qualification, they are very qualified and they have demonstrated their knowledge in front of, against any standard or against any certification. Okay. So now, again, they have given one benefit like professional growth and credibility. If you are holding CRSP qualification, then there will be enormous growth in your career. Okay, they have given some statistics also that I will show you after some time. See, here they have given here. I'll show you. Enhance your employability and earning potential. Just see that statement. The Canadian Registered Safety Professional CRSP certification has become a prerequisite to qualify for many health and safety positions. It means if you are looking for health and safety officer positions within the Canada, then it is one of the prerequisite. You need to have that. Okay, and is widely accepted for the recognition by industry and government. It means within the private also, in the government also, they are asking for that certification. Okay, based on a recent survey of career posting, based on a recent survey, 70% of the employers list the CRSP PSAC certification as a requirement for a professional position in occupational health and safety. It means out of 100%, 70% of the employers are looking for those individuals, those who are holding PSAC or CRSP, to work as a health and safety professional. So that is the power of CRSP. That is the reason why you need to hold that. Okay, afterwards, certification as a requirement for professional position in OHS. Okay, in 2019, the BCRSP salary survey across Canada. It means yesterday I show you CSP salary survey, now BCRSP salary survey. They are 51.7% of CRSP PASAC respondents reported salaries of above 1 lakh Canadian dollars. How much? 1 lakh Canadian dollars. So that is the power of CRSP. Okay, so a lot of good things they have given about CRSP certification. You can read that if you are interested to learn about CRSP more. Now, important thing is that, are you eligible for CRSP? Just see here. We will see now what is the eligibility requirements of that CRSP certification. Okay, just click on that and you will get this type of interface. Now see here guys, eligibility guidelines for CRSP certification. It means what are the things that you need to have if you want to qualify for CRSP examination. To be eligible to apply for CRSP certification, you must have a combination of educational, professional development and experience. Educational qualification also required, experience also required. Okay, depending on the type of education you have obtained, there may be an exemption from the professional development criteria. Okay, because as you know that there is a exemption. If you don't want to go ASP, if you have a CRSP qualification, then directly you can approach for CSP. So the same will be applicable here. They will be giving one list to you. Applications for the CRSP certification received on or after July 1, 2018 will be required to have the following. It means after the application, like those who are coming after 1 July 2018, they need to fulfill that criteria. The criteria for CRSP certification is you need to have a minimum bachelor's degree. What is that? Bachelor's degree, 4-year degree or QBAC 3-year plus CEGP in any field. Okay, or a 2-year diploma or certificate, minimum 900 hours or 60 credits in occupational health and safety or equivalent from a recognized academic institution. Now the main questions people will ask me in the comment section, I know that. Sir, I have diploma in fire safety, ADIS, I have bachelor's of fire safety, like these degree I have. Will I am eligible? So see guys, the simple answer is that maybe, not confirmed, because it's an international qualification. You need to get your degree verified with the equivalency. Okay, now how you can verify that I will tell you now itself. Okay, after that, 48 months of professional level experience, OHS experience obtained within the last 72 months. 48 months of experience, not 48 hours, 48 months. Okay, a minimum of 900 hours calendar years of practice in OHS. That is your experience criteria. Now, if applying with a bachelor's degree, applicant must also demonstrate sufficient professional development in OHS to qualify. Not only simple experience they want professional experience. It means during your previous experience, what are the things that you have done to develop yourself, to develop your mind, to develop your proper professional safety knowledge. Okay. Now, if you want to do certification process, you can see here, because now I'm not covering it. If I'm covering means it's a 30 minutes long video, that will be not good. Okay, that I'll make separate video with regards to like what material you need to study, how you can start preparing for that. Now, description of OHS professional level experience, INSPO capability framework from the INSPO OHS professional capability framework. This is a very big thing actually. INSPO is as I already told you, International Network for Safety and Health Professional Organization. It's a different one, so I don't think so it is important now. See here, application. This one is the important application. Individuals interested in achieving the CRSP certification must first make application to the BCRSP. Once your application is reviewed for eligibility, there is a mandatory certification exam. First of all, you need to apply, you need to give your application. Once it is accepted, you can start preparing for that. Okay, now English or French as a second language. See here the statement. Applicants whose first language is neither English or nor French. It means if your language is not English or French, then what do you need to do? Submit documentation verifying a minimum level of 94 to 101 IBT on a test, English as a foreign language TOEFL. Now, simple thing, you know IELTS. NEBOSH is also asking for IELTS. If you have IELTS certificate of a score of 7, then you are eligible for that. Just they want to test your English, whether it is good or not. So for testing English, there are a lot of organization is there. So one of the organization is IELTS, TOEFL, as well as TFI is also there, IBT is also there. So you can go to anyone. So for everyone, there is a different criteria. As per my suggestion, go for IELTS. It is easily available, and you need to score 7. Okay. After that, you can apply. Now, important thing, we are the international applicants. What we need to do now, international applicants are eligible for the CRSP certification. However, additional documentation requirements may apply. Now, which documentation? International academic credential must be translated to English or French and be verified by an official translator. First of all, if your credentials like any certificate, any degree and all, if they are in Hindi or any sort of local language, then first of all, you need to translate them into French or English, then by a official translator. Okay, after that, international credentials must be submitted to a Canadian credentialating agency prior to the application submission. It means qualification equivalency they will do. So you need to send your qualification to Canadian credentialating agency. Now what is that? These are the independent bodies, those who are doing such sort of works like checking the equivalency and all. So just click on that list of academic credential assessment agencies. Okay, when you click on that, the list of them will be open here. See, these are the agencies which is shown by BCRSP. Okay, so you can, these are the direct links of their website. You can just visit them and continue your process if you are interested. Okay, now applying for the certification. To apply, an applicant completes an application form and together with all supporting documentation and non-refundable fees. It means they have given simple instructions how you need to apply. Okay, that we will see in another video. Application form, yeah. When you are applying, then how much will be the fees? If you completed for eligibility and all, you have cleared each and everything, then you need to pay around 525 plus GST, Canadian dollars. Okay, this is your application fees. So this about the application and all, means how you can eligibility verification. Now what about the fees, guys? Let's check the fees also. Fine. So they have given the fees for CRSP and PASAC. Application fees, you can see here, 525 Canadian dollars. The examination fees will be of 175 Canadian dollars plus GST in all. Okay, and annual renewal fees, it means annually you need to renew that. If you want to continue use that PASAC or CRSP designation after your name, you need to pay around 250 Canadian dollars every year. Okay, this about the fees. These are, you can see here, all prices is in Canadian dollars. Fine. Now, one important thing, OHS academic programs approved for CRSP eligibility. It means, as I told you, you need a bachelor's degree minimum. Okay, so they have already listed some of the degrees that are eligible for CRSP program. I have checked here, no Indian degrees there. Okay, but we need to verify. So here you can see they have given a list of these colleges like Academy Canada, Anderson College, after that Cambrian University, Cape Breton University. So a list is available there. You can see here. Okay. So likewise, if we also verify, means our name can also become here. You can see here. So if you are also person, those who are holding any sort of like degree from these universities or institutions, then it's a good thing for you. Okay. So it's a very long list actually. So these particular qualifications, these degrees, those who are offered by these institutions, these are eligible. These are approved for these qualifications. Okay. Now apply for CRSP certification. One important and the last one. See here. Applying for certification. To apply, an applicant completes the application form and together all supporting documents and non-refundable fees. You need to apply and pay the fees first of all. The application form requires detail concerning formal education, professional development and related experience. In addition, a reference questionnaire and practice questionnaire must be completed by individuals who have a sound knowledge of applicant's work performance. It is the applicant's responsibility to ensure all informed is submitted with the application along with the requirement document. Now they want to see here is, see, if you are applying for CRSP certification, you need some references also. They have multiple times mentioned here. Okay. They need transcripts also. Now what is transcript? After completion your like any sort of courses and all, they will provide you transcript, the institution from which you have done. Okay, original transcript should be sent directly to BCRSP from the academic institutions. Transcripts can be sent to this address, particularly this address. So guys, this is about BCRSP certification, that is CRSP or PASAC certification. I know this video is a little bit long, but I hope you got understanding what is the meaning of CRSP certification and why it is important. Okay, till now, if you have any sort of doubt with regards to this certification, please drop them in the comment box. I'll reply you as soon as possible. I know I haven't covered here the full process, how to apply that. I will cover that as soon as possible. The syllabus, the study material, the type of questionnaire, these things I will make a separate video, because everything if we will cover here means it will be like a 1 hour long video. Okay, so try to understand this is about the introduction only, because a lot of people are there, those who haven't heard the name of CRSP even. Okay, so for those people only, those who don't know anything about CRSP and all, I made this special video. I hope you got something new, something interesting from this video. So this is about the end of this video. If you like this video, press this like button, share this video, subscribe to Aegis Academy to in order to get these type of videos in the future. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then,